Hello YouTube. What am I doing? Well, my father-in-law wants a pig trough, so I'm gonna cut this in half, make a pig trough out of it. But I have a styrofoam problem to get rid of. So when you want to get rid of something and scrape it off, I could use a screwdriver. I did actually, but this is what they make pneumatic scrapers for. So just go like this. Move the camera over this way more. Move the camera so you can see what the hell I'm doing. Trash can on the way too. I'll get this out. There we go. Alrighty. Air scraper. Works great. Does the job, I should say. Hello YouTube, it's me again. Instead of using a plasma cutter, which is buried under my bench, which I'm not even sure works, I'm going to first attempt to use a dewalt metal cutting saw, because it's supposed to be able to cut metal. So, we'll see how it goes. I'm wearing sleeves because this shit shoots out metal that burns my sleeve. So I'm going to try this out. If it works, well it works. If it doesn't, we'll just move to plan B, which is cut out an angle grinder. So anyway, plus it give me a chance to see how this works. Actually, let's turn this way where I can see it. Now, let's see if this works. Note to self: I will never be using an angle wrench to do this again, as long as this tool exists. This is the bomb. Kudos to the, what do you call it? I'm gonna have to use an angle wrench for inside this, but damn, this worked good. I gotta turn this over. Inside. I am mad impressed with that. I'm gonna pause it right here. Make sure that's chalked in there. I'll restart over and I'll cut the other side. Still there? Okay. Except for when the battery goes dead. There's a battery. Assault. But a dead battery. Alright, this one is almost charged. Use that one. Yeah. That'd be the only downside. I need 15 more batteries. Alright, where's the hole? Awesome. Folks, this thing works good. That's a dewalt DCS 373 metal cutting saw. I'll cut the rest of it. Alright folks, you can see this. I am cutting on the downward spiral. I'll move this over here. Maybe you can see it better. This over here. And this right there. See what I'm doing? Okay. I think we need a screwdriver in there for reference. This is going to be a pain in my ass. Bet you that was stuck in there too. That can't work. Woohoo, look at that. Now we gotta turn it around. Turn me around, turn it around. Let's turn it around. It's easier to go like this, the table than it is to move to everything else. It's my big beautiful welding table. Let's see this. I've got the chop across here. See. That's cool. Need a pen. I need a pen and a ruler. From here to here, and just go like this. I guess just go like that. Kind of, sort of, like that, I guess. There you go. There we go. That might work. You want to buy a good mount? Buy your Lenzi camera mount. Shit's pretty good. Yeah. Send the sparks different direction. There we go. I see I needed a fire behind me while I'm doing this, so I keep playing with the angle of the grinder. This grinding this sucks. Need a more aggressive grinding disc. This one's just catching fire. We have visitors today. They're hiding over there. You can see his legs. This is what's inside a hot water heater. Yum. See my dustpan I made? What? I figured I was going to throw in the garbage anyway. Why the hell not, right? There must be 5 gallons of mill scale or calcium scale in here. There you go. Yummy. This is what's inside your hot water tank, folks. Yucks. The inside of a hot water tank. Yummy. You're eating that shit. Well, let's see. Burned out one Makita. And what do you call it? Everything's all good. And folks, I have to say, dewalt freaking cutting blades are better than fucking Diablo blades. Even the cheap Forney ones are better. Fornication. Fornican. Crap in here. You're drinking this shit. Now you want to know why I got a tankless hot water heater? Because I don't have to worry about this. Look at this. Half a tank later. I'm gonna leave that there for a minute. Get my $1.99 brush. And I'm just gonna, what do you call it, deburr the edges and give them the big trough. Look at that, fancy. Get me out there. Well, at least I didn't burn out the freaking cordless dewalt on this thing. Next part is deburr it and give it to its new owner. This disc is getting a little old. Oops, I put my glasses on. There we go. That looks a little better. Let's see. Let's put this on the ground. Flip over. There we go. We get our flap disc when it actually works. Hello YouTube. The last thing I'm going to be doing on this is, since pigs like to eat all kinds of stuff, I don't want to get poisoned. I'm going to take the rest of the, what do you call it, styrofoam that's glued on here and rip it right off. It just, so there's no chance of them, so there's no chance of any pigs eating any of this crap off here. Guess the battery's done. Just in time. So anyway, been watching this whole video, one video. Basically, this is my water claws pig trough. All done. Thanks for watching. The sides were done with a dewalt DCS 373 metal cutting circular saw. Did a beautiful job. Beautiful job. I also cut part of it with some dewalt 4.5-inch cutting discs that work beautiful. I bought a 10-pack for like $14. Bought some Diablo ones, wasn't impressed. So I'll put that in the comments or list what I got. And hey, thanks for watching. It was fun recording it.